Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to Social Science class. In the first chapter, we discussed about Russian Revolution, which took place in 1917. At the end of this revolution, that is, after October Revolution, under the leadership of Lenin, Bolsheviks came to power in Russia. The Bolshevik party was renamed as Communist Party of Russia. Later, this communism spread to other parts of the world. Thus, in 1924, a new constitution was promulgated. Accordingly, the Union of Soviet Socialist Republic, that is USSR, was formed. When was USSR formed? USSR was formed in 1924. The Russian Communist Party became the Soviet Communist Party. In the period of Second World War, Soviet Union and the capitalist America joined together. But after the Second World War, world divided into two power blocks, means two groups. Capitalist bloc led by America and Soviet bloc led by USSR. Both represented contradictory ideas. Contradictory ideas means opposite ideas. Led the world into the Cold War. At the end of this Cold War, bipolar world changed into unipolar world. Bi means two. Bipolar world means world divided into two blocks after Second World War. After the Cold War, this bipolar world changed into unipolar world. That is, America emerged as the superpower in the world and USSR disintegrated. Today, we are going to discuss about the causes of the disintegration of Soviet Union. Disintegration means downfall or decline of Soviet Union. The disintegration of Soviet Union in 1991 is one of the significant events in the last decade of the 20th century. That is the most important event which took place in the last part of the 20th century was the decline of Soviet Union, the disintegration of Soviet Union in 1991. Now let us discuss about the causes of the disintegration of Soviet Union. First one, the administrative measures of Mikhail Gorbachev, the president of Soviet Union. The reforms were known as Glasnost and Perestroika. That is, he introduced two administrative reforms known as Glasnost and Perestroika that led to the disintegration of Soviet Union. In 1985, Gorbachev came to power as the president of Soviet Union, who led the country to the capitalist path, that is the opposition to socialism. The best example of this were the two policies he introduced in Soviet Union known as Glasnost and Perestroika. Glasnost was to implement openness in political process. Accordingly, regulation on media and civic right was taken off. Perestroika was implemented to restructure the economic system of Soviet Union. Perestroika called for ending the price controls on production sector established by the government and abating centralization. What is the meaning of this Glasnost and Perestroika? That is, government intervention in production, price controls, etc. were abolished. Regulation on media and civic rights was taken off, which means he led the country to the capitalist path. The second cause of the disintegration of Soviet Union was deviation from the basic principles of socialism. The third reason was corruption and inefficiency of the bureaucracy. Bureaucracy means officials. The corruptions and inefficiency of the officials were another reason of the disintegration of Soviet Union. The last cause of the disintegration of Soviet Union was failure in bringing about changes in the economic sector. Once again, I repeat the causes of the disintegration of Soviet Union. First one, the administrative measures of Mikhail Gorbachev, that is Glasnost and Perestroika. Second one, deviation from the basic principles of socialism. Third one, corruption and inefficiency of the bureaucracy. The last one, failure in bringing about changes in the economic sector. Thus, with the resignation of Gorbachev as the president in 1991, Soviet Union formally came to an end. That marked the end of Cold War. A unipolar world has emerged under the leadership of USA in the place of a bipolar one. Now let us discuss about the unipolar world under American dominance. America emerged as a global power and the center of world politics following the disintegration of Soviet Union. That is, after the Second World War, the world was divided into two power blocks, American bloc and Soviet bloc. But after the Cold War, Soviet Union came to an end and America emerged as a global power. This is called unipolar world order. Several strategies were adopted by America to establish its dominance over the world. Let us see what are they. That is, to establish its dominance over the world, America adopted several strategies. These strategies are as follows. Utilizing international agencies, America provided financial and military aids to the countries of the world. What does it mean? Utilizing international agencies such as World Bank and IMF, America provided financial help to the countries of the world. The second strategy was she extended military alliances. That is, at the time of the Cold War, NATO, SEATO, CENTO were the military alliance group. America extended these military alliances to other nations. The third reason was medias were used to promote America's vested interest. Vested interest means involving anything for a financial gain. America used medias for this purpose. After the Second World War, two Gulf Wars took place between Iraq and Kuwait, one in the year 1991 and the second in the year 2003. The war broke out following the invasion of Saddam Hussein, ruler of Iraq, on Kuwait. That is, Saddam Hussein, the ruler of Iraq, invaded Kuwait. This is for getting the vast oil reserves in Kuwait. Why Saddam Hussein invaded Kuwait? This is for getting the vast oil reserves in Kuwait. The military alliances of America and Britain attacked Iraq and liberated Kuwait from the hands of Saddam Hussein. It was America's imperialist policy that paved the way for Gulf War. America utilized their military facilities and technological progress in these wars. However, movements have taken roots in different parts of the world to protest against the supremacy of America. Thus, today we studied about the causes of the disintegration of Soviet Union and the strategies were adopted by America to establish its dominance over the world. Students, please study these two questions answer from this portion. Thank you.